Hi friends, how are you all? Welcome to Addy's Tech Tips. So, you have been using Windows. If you are using Windows, then this video is perfectly made for you. So, if you have been using Windows for a long time, you think that the old Windows this look is somewhat boring to compare to this. So now, if you want the look that I'm showing you, make your Windows super professional, super beautiful, and very amazing, cool, even realistic. So watch till the end of this video and I'll show you how you will do all this. So subscribe to my channel for tech related content and gaming content regularly. And now let's get into the video. Like this video because I hope it will help you improve your PC. And now subscribe. Let's go. So guys, now let's move on with the video. So as you can see, this is an old look with all these icons and all the taskbar, and I might say the desktop wallpaper is kind of nice, but still if you have that Windows one, it looks a bit of old because Windows was made years ago. So now let's get started. First you have to open your browser and then search for Nexus dock. Okay, didn't type Nexus dock. So this is the one you will wish for, and this helps improve your Windows look and it's really efficient. So go to it and download the file it provides. It's really simple, and download it for free version. You can also download it if you have money to spend on. And now for the second software, download Rainmeter, search for it. The first websites that come, rainmeter.net. Download the final release of it. So I'll also download it and it simply gets downloaded. And I have given these links in the description too. So if you are confused a bit or need any help, go to that. And now when you are done with these two software, just simply run them. So I'll close my browser and open my file explorer. Now let's go to downloads, and here Nexus is downloaded. So we'll take this, cut it. Now let's go to another of my drive and I'll extract it here. Simply it will provide some setup and that all. So okay, this is the Nexus setup it provides. So okay, I don't need this, not this. Now this is the setup we will need. Now let's continue. Click on enter, open it, and simply download Nexus and also Rainmeter side by side. So first I'll download this, I accept everything, next, and follow the same steps because you don't want to create any disturbance while doing all these steps, because you have to make it much easier. So now let it complete, and we will till then go to downloads again. Okay, leave this here. Do not click to on launch Nexus or finish. Leave this here. Minimize this on that step only. And now go to download. Run Rainmeter again. So run as administrator, and yes, okay. So I'll do a standard installation because I don't want anything. So launch Rainmeter on startup. If you want these things, these professional looks to start as you open your desktop, you can select that. I don't want it to happen because it can cause delay in my boot. So I simply go without it and install. Now it has installed. I'll simply select not to run Rainmeter and finish. Now our steps here are finished for this. And one more thing I forgot to tell you, you have also to download a Google Drive link that you can get in the description of this video. So I'll also go to my file and simply download it. This is a RAR file, so it will not be anything problem having this. So let's close that, and yes, it automatically gets downloaded. Now I'll close my browser. So modified is the name of this file. It's downloaded. Now cut, I'll also cut it and bring it to the same drive. here. So now it will contain some files which are really important for the next step. Extract it here. That's simple. And here is the folder you will get naming Aaditya. Now go to config files and you'll get a paste. First copy this, control C on the mon folder. So this creates some things, some files get ready for you in the Rainmeter. So now you can go to this shortcut, and if it comes that this shortcut is not available, and like this, if it comes for you that it is not available, no need to do that. It is just for some people who have this. Then you can also try if you are working with it. So now they have some icons for our PC, and they have a wallpaper which we can apply later on. So now when I said you don't complete this, now you can complete this setup. So click on finish, and it will initialize it, and now you can see this Nexus has come on our top of the Windows screen. So now it doesn't look that much pretty. So open Nexus, single click or double click on it, and now go on to the advanced tab. Listen, guys, follow every step carefully because these are really important. If you miss anything, go back and then come along, because if you made anything wrong, it will cause some malfunctions. So now click on restore and head over to the folder that we extracted from the modified. So it is Aaditya. Here it is. And go to config files and select the dock icons and open it. It is a WBK file. It's really simple. So my icon was showing a word file, but that isn't any problem. It isn't a word file. It is a Nexus setup. So now I can close this and this, and now you can see some circles appearing here, but that doesn't look as good as to me. So what you have to do is right click them and click on remove from dock. So this is the dock we are with, and I'll remove everyone from the dock, making my work easy to add new icons. So guys, everything is now removed, and as you can see, this is completely blank. Now I have these games and launchers and other things all around me. So now I'll first pick up the launcher, get the battle.net and link it, so it gets linked. Now I'll pick up the Epic Games. You can place whatever you want in these, and it will be really awesome to look at them. So I'll link every one of them. Get it here. I'll keep launchers on my one side. That makes it comfortable, and it also organizes the things. So I'll paste everyone I want, and now I will search for the ones that I don't have on my desktop. So guys, you can see now I can delete the ones I have here, but that won't make any difference because these ones can be deleted. So first let me set these ones up also on my panel, and then I'll talk about it. So this PC goes here. So guys, now I can delete the shortcuts present here, and some shortcuts cannot be deleted. So that really isn't the problem with us. First let me delete them, and then I'll show you how this works. So select them all, delete, delete, and now I'm left with the recycle bin shortcut which cannot be deleted from our menu. Let me empty that. It looks clean when you do that. And now I can right click and go to view and select show desktop icons. So what it does that if I uncheck it, it hides my desktop icons, which makes this one look pretty awesome. So now you can see that one's it now. And now I'll move on to hide the taskbar. What about it? It also looks pretty bad, having this and this go together. So click on the taskbar, go to taskbar settings, and then let it load. It might take some time, and select automatically hide the taskbar in desktop mode, turn it to on, and you can see the taskbar is gone. Until you come to the down and bring your cursor to the bottom of the screen, it won't appear. So as I bring it, it appears and then suddenly disappears. So this looks pretty awesome. If I tell you now, you can also do one thing, and which is, if you have watched my live wallpapers video, then you can open lively wallpaper. If you don't know what this is, links down in bio. Go watch the video and have fun with these amazing live wallpapers that I tell you about. So the live wallpaper has loaded, and guys, this looks amazing and super realistic, super beautiful. I can also customize my live wallpapers just by opening this app, and it feels really amazing. I'll open lively and put on anything, like if I want to do this, it will just load. And guys, this looks super great. It's super beautiful, and it doesn't cause a lot of memory usage because it runs in the background, carrying low memory usage, which I think you will allow. So guys, if you like this video, if you like the view of this setup, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and like this video. And I knew this got a really long, not that much, but if you liked it, then make sure to hit the like button. I'll meet you in the next video with some more cool tips related to these and other gaming content. So hit the subscribe button, and I'll meet you in the next videos. Stay happy, stay safe, and take care. Goodbye.